Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today we are planning the week of June 15th through June 21st, which is Father's Day. So let's take a quick peek at last week. I had to write a lot of things in just because I had a few extra things come up, but other than that, the week went really well. I did pretty good hitting my steps a few days. All right, so let's get into planning this week. So last week on the 11th was the anniversary of Jurassic Park coming out into theaters. And so I was going to use this kit last week, but because of the Black Lives Matter Planner Challenge, I decided to just do it this week. And because, Father's Day on Sunday, and we love the Jurassic Park movies, so I am doing this Planner Penny kit. It's called Jurassic. It's the Jurassic collection, and it's just all Jurassic Park stuff. And I'm so stoked, you guys. I love this movie, and my husband loves this movie, so I'm very excited to use this kit because I love these movies. Okay, so we are going to get right into it. So I am going to do my outline, and then the weather, and then I will be right back. Okay, here we go. So I've decided I don't like individual date headers up here. Not a huge fan. I don't know. I think it's just kind of hard for me to get them all even, and I don't know. I think it's kind of a crooked mess up there. That's okay. We're moving on. Doesn't need to be perfect for me to enjoy it. So I forgot to put a little person down here. So I'm going to put a little Ellie Sattler to cover up this calendar because I don't need the calendar. Okay. Gosh, isn't she so cute? Aren't these little guys just so cute? Like, look at little Jeff Goldblum. I just die. And Alan Grant. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay. So this week is payday. So this plan with me is probably going to be a little rougher because I've never used one of these kits before, so I don't know where to find everything. But here's the payday sticker. Okay, so payday right here. All right, so let's go to the beginning. So I am filming this. Y'all, we had such a busy weekend and there was so much going on that I didn't even have time to film this plan with me. So I'm actually filming this on Monday. I'm filming this day. Sorry guys. Okay, so we had pictures done this morning. I think I'll use one of these big ones because it's pretty. I'm having a hard time getting these off, but here we go. So we had pictures this morning at 9 in kind of a downtown area in Dallas. And I'm so excited to see them. I think they probably turned out super cute. Let's see, and then we got to get the oil changed in my husband's car. We got to get the oil changed in my car too, but getting the oil changed in my husband's car today. And then we have I'm gonna use another one of these. So let's actually, let's rethink. Here, we don't need to use all big ones here. Okay, so right here I have a Skype call with the dads for my surrogacy. We're just gonna catch up and just kind of see how we're doing, and it's just nothing. It's just a nice chat. And then yes, we're doing an oil change for my husband's car here. And that's all I got going on today. I'm just gonna make sure I upload my video today. Let's see what other kind of stickers I've got here. Oh, I forgot to put the weekend one down. Oh, we'll put that down later. Okay, so we're gonna try and upload this by 5 tonight. I'm gonna try and, quick edit, then upload that. Okay, so Tuesday, we've got my friend is bringing her kiddos over. We're gonna swim in my neighborhood pool. Nothing too crazy. I like swimming in our neighborhood pool on the weekdays because no one is there on weekdays. So, we don't have much of a chance of coming in contact with other people. They had taken away all of the pool furniture, which is great, But even if they didn't, we wouldn't use it. And, you know, I just put all our stuff, you know, just in one spot on the ground, and it works just fine for us. So we'll be doing that on Tuesday. She'll be coming over and swimming with her kiddos. And then we've got, of course, we've got Taekwondo here. Then I'm going to place the other Taekwondo stickers down now. Whoop. In there. These are very oversized stickers. So like they don't fit perfectly in the boxes. That's okay. Okay, so I forgot to put on here. Today I gotta go grocery shopping because I was supposed to go yesterday, but yesterday just ended up being busy and it was my anniversary. And I was like, you know what? I just want to stay home and, you know, go swimming with the kids and with my husband. And I was just like, I don't want to deal with that. So I didn't. So I'm going to meal plan today right after I finish filming this, and then I'm going to go grocery shopping. So Tuesday, we're just doing the swimming and Taekwondo. Wednesday, my daughter has private swimming lessons at 3:30. So kind of late in the day. Hopefully she's in a good mood and we'll play ball. Probably not the best sticker choice there, actually, but that's okay. All right, so she's got private swim lessons that day. And then I also need to make sure we take the trash out. We'll just write trash out here. Because I don't have a trash out sticker. But then I do have this one for trash day. Okay, so nothing much going on Wednesday, so maybe I'll take the kids to Hawaiian Falls Wednesday morning. I don't know, since she has private swimming lessons that day, I don't want her to be too exhausted, so we might not. And then Thursday, we're going to the zoo with my friend. We're meeting there at 9. So how our zoo works right now, it is open, but you have to reserve tickets. So even though I'm a member, I still have to reserve tickets and a time to go to the zoo that day. So we are going at 9 because it's Texas and it's hot, hot, hot. So we want to get there nice and early so that we can go do that, have fun with the kids, and then leave and be gone. Let's see. So then on Friday, Scotty's belt test stuff is due. He has his belt test on the next week, but his belt test stuff is due. So I'm going to put that up here. Important. And then Juliette has private swim lesson at 4. Let's do a different color. She's got a private swim lesson at 4, and then Scotty has Taekwondo at 5. So that is going to be cutting it close. But we're going to make it work. We're going to make it happen. And then that's it for Friday. Then Saturday, I've got Taekwondo, and then I'm going to film my plan with me. Hopefully, I actually film on Saturday. And then I need to edit. I need to edit my plan with me on this day, on Sunday. And then we have church Zoom meeting at 10. And then it is Father's Day, of course. So I'm going to put a little Jeff Goldblum because that's my husband, you guys. This is him. He is silly, just like him. Let's see. We're going to move editing up. And I think Jeff is crooked here. Let's fix Jeff. Fix this so he's not crooked anymore. That's better, don't you think? And then put the weekend sticker down. Weekend. Cute. You guys, this is so cute. And you guys, that's pretty much it. I felt like this week was actually going to be busy, but it's not. It's like, oh, I need to make sure I use a big kit to be able to fit everything in there. But yeah, I really don't have too much going on this week. So I got the notification that my seasonal surprise box, that the shipping label was created. So I'm assuming FedEx should be picking it up today. I got the notification Saturday morning. And since it's coming from Austin and I'm in the Dallas area, I'm thinking it shouldn't take too long. So I'm hopefully going to be planning my seasonal surprise box unboxing and review. I'm hoping to film that this week, but I'm not going to put it in here yet, mainly because I don't know when I'm going to get the box. Like, I'll actually, you know what? I'll check and see where we're at. Okay, so yep, no info. It just says shipment information has been sent to FedEx, so I will get it someday. But it's coming just from Austin to here, so I'm assuming once they pick it up, it'll probably get here quick. Like, I'm anticipating it'll get here Wednesday or Thursday. So let's hope for that. So I guess I'm gonna write everything in. I'm gonna use my Sharpie permanent marker. It's the ultra fine point pen, because this is the kind of material that you need to use the permanent marker with instead of my regular Staedtler Tri-Plus fine liner. So I'm gonna use my permanent marker and I will be right back and we will be all done. Okay, so everything is all written in. So now I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna add some doodle girls. So I will be going grocery shopping this day, but I already have a cute little doodle here. I'm not sure when I'm gonna go grocery shopping this week, so I think I'm going to wait until later in the week to decide if I wanna do a pickup order on Saturday after Taekwondo, or if I want to find time on Sunday. But I kind of don't want to do it on Sunday because that's Father's Day and I want to, spend time with my husband and the kids and have a good time. So we're going to wait and do her. But since I am going to film on Saturday, I am going to put this doodle girl, this little planner girl. Let's see. Look how cute she is. She's working on her planner. So I'm going to put that. I'll put her right here. And then let's see, I'm very excited that my friend is coming over. So I'm gonna put this happy doodle girl right here. Whoop whoop. Let's see, and then I always put a coffee girl on Wednesdays now. I don't know why, but it's tradition now, so we can't just not do it anymore. Put her right there at 8 a.m. And then let's put a little but first coffee script right here, because seriously, but first coffee. Coffee before talkie. I don't think I'm gonna actually plan anything this day, so I'm gonna put Alan Grant in here. Let's get Alan Grant in here. He deserves a spot. Alan Grant right after coffee. Oh my gosh, I can't get this sticker off, you guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this cute little, I think that's a velociraptor. I'm gonna put him right here. Okay, you guys, this is it. This is my week. We're kind of a little slower towards the end of the week, but I am sure I will find more things to do this day. Actually, I think I might change this sticker because the zoo's gonna take up more time than that. So yeah, we're gonna call in an audible here and change this sticker out. Okay, that's better, I think. Because the zoo is going to take us quite a bit of time, so better to block off a bigger chunk of time. And yes, so it looks like I probably won't be going to Hawaiian Falls this week unless I convince my friend to take her kids to Hawaiian Falls with me, but I think that might be a bit much for her because her kids are younger. So I think that might be just a little too scary. But we'll see. Maybe I'll convince her to do that.
I need to go potty.
Ooh, okay, let's go. Good girl. Okay. So let's try this again. Thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video and give it a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out Plan With Me videos every Monday, and I'm trying to also get something in every Thursday as well, but it's kind of, we're still working on it. All right, so I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.